It's a great day to crochet. Today's yarn of the day is Ice Yarn's Dora. The Dora yarn is 100% acrylic. It comes in 100 gram skeins, which are 250 meters. This yarn is categorized as a 2. Look at that twist. When I saw this yarn online, I thought that shine is beautiful and that twist is great. This yarn feels very nice. It didn't turn out to be quite as soft as I thought it would, but it's still very soft and squishy. When you crochet with it, it crochets very easily. It does not split. It doesn't really have a lag. It's very easy to crochet with, and you can crochet with it very quickly. It frogs out super easy, super quick. Now, I'm going to put this next to the swatch that I washed. And this swatch got washed in hot water and got dried in high heat. I wanted it to be like the worst case scenario that could possibly happen. So let's look at the original before it was washed. It does have just a hint of a fuzz, but it is a very smooth yarn. It feels really nice and squishy. The one that has been washed feels so light and fluffy. It really softened it up a lot. And the fuzz, it looks a little bit more dramatic than it was, but really not that much. So when we put them side to side again, to me, I really can't tell that big of a difference. I still would probably put my label on there that said gentle cycle, low heat, just to be safe though. I'm going to put a before and after picture of this swatch in so you can see the shrinkage that happened, and keep in mind this was washed in high heat. The water was hot and it was dried on high heat also. On the Ice Yarns website, you can see how the Dora yarn has so many different colors. It just seems like this list goes on and on. There are some at the bottom. These have run out at this point, but they will be back in stock. When you choose the color that is not in stock, you can come up here and you can put in your name and your email address, click notify me when back in stock, and they will send you an email. I think for $1.25 regular priced, that's a really good deal for this yarn. If you were to purchase just this package of yarn, it would cost you an extra $1.99 per skein in shipping. So it would turn that $1.25 into $3.24 a skein, which really, at a regular price, that's not that bad. Overall, I love this yarn. I think it would be great for a summer top or something lightweight. It would be great for baby blankets and anything that you would want to use a lighter weight yarn. Don't let that number 2 intimidate you. It's not that bad to work with. It's easily worked with a G hook or even an H hook.